not nothingness. It's a big world full with animals, waters, lands, plants, sometimes even like streams or waterfalls. And the most thing we should care about is the nature around us and the things that live in the nature around us, and the small things that you never really see that you could discover, like chipmunks or drays, hives, burrows. All of that stuff is really important to the animals who live in parks, forests, even mountains. And the trees send signals by moving their branches, and sometimes you could see actually a face on them. So picture it. So, like, you know how sometimes there's one of those on them? Sometimes the branches fall off like that. Then it turned into a face. And it's like the roots are the legs. The branches are the arms. The branches on the side are the arms. And those things I was talking about, that the branches fell off, that's the face.
Right.
And the leaves and the branches on the top are the hair. And you could similarly with the rings of a tree are a life. The ring in the life of a human body is like that. And the most thing it is the body of the tree. And like our skin is the most biggest organ, its bark is the most biggest organ. And its bark is the skin. And yeah. And sometimes there could even be kind of funny eyebrows. Because the tree sometimes grows out little spots where it looks like that. And when you look out like that tree, you could see a face. Well,